Mar thieth e pacho kaendi nyadendi Mercy Mwangangi osingo biro twak kod duol no ero mar NHIF mar neno ni jogo eko mabende ni kod tuo choke kata sickle cell orwaki okumba mar thieth mar NHIF koloso e kinde mabende no yawa yanga kar goyo picha ne nyithindo ma eka onyuol rango tuo choke kata sickle cell newborn screening center e od thieth mano Marasha e boma ma Kisumu. Nyadendi Mwangangi osingo mar neno ni nyithindo duto minyuolo obiro timnegi screening mar sickle cell e seche mabende eka onyuolgi. Jalup gavana ma kaunti ma Kisumu mano ero laktar Matthew Owili opako ahinya riwruoge mopogore opogore mabende okonye neno ni center ma kamano ero oyaw e od thieth Marasha.
Key areas of focus, as you all know, in this national LCD program include awareness creation, education and community engagement, advocacy and capacity building and training of our healthcare workers. Others are to explore opportunities to make hydroxyurea available and accessible in Kenya and to make medications related to the care of sickle cell disease available and accessible to all our patients.
I'd like to emphasize what one of the last speakers has said, particularly His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, that leadership and governance will play a critical role in the successful implementation of the screening program. And I'm glad to note that we have high-level representation. I'm glad to note that we are taking this further outside of state actors into non-state actors, such as the foundation that is being launched to push this forward. And thank you, Prof, for putting that together. Community awareness is vital. Again, through the lecture by, let me call him Prof. Awanda now, we understand the role of community awareness that is required here. And finally, I'd want to assure you of the full commitment of the Ministry of Health to ensure that newborn screening of sickle cell disease is conducted successfully. I would like to convey our most sincere gratitude and appreciation to all our stakeholders in the sickle cell disease space, recognizing all of you who've put effort in ensuring that we can really meet our shared vision of alleviating the burden of sickle cell disease. It is now my pleasant duty to officially launch the newborn screening for sickle cell diseases program for Kisumu County. Congratulations, Kisumu County.